Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant. The next big productivity advancement in engineering designed specifically for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is your dedicated engineering virtual assistant built around SolidWorks. It empowers your team to maximize efficiency by making better use of people, resources, and technology. Global Edge integrates with your existing software and hardware technologies without interrupting your current workflow process. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an innovative software solution that automates 5 key labor-intensive areas associated with the quoting, engineering, and manufacturing workflow process. This includes advanced design for manufacturing, automated routing, sales quote generation, automated sheet metal batch unfolding, automated bend program generation, and automated shop floor data preparation. Advanced Design for Manufacturing. Global Edge Engineering Assistant begins with advanced design for manufacturing capabilities, ensuring that new part designs are ready for fabrication on the shop floor. Built-in manufacturability testing compares CAD part parameters with your established bend processes and tooling, quickly identifying errors and potential issues. This includes fabrication errors such as part exceeds maximum blank length, PEM holes too close to bend line, internal bend exceeds maximum bend angle, automated routing and sales quote generation. This is driven by a powerful configuration engine that runs in the background to generate optimal routing steps and cost roll-ups based on CAD part parameters. This subsequently automates the quoting process by eliminating and automating the manual steps associated with generating simple to complex sales quotes. Automated sheet metal batch unfolding as part of the automated workflow capabilities built into the Global Edge Engineering Assistant. Global Edge provides automated generation of DXF flat files from your SolidWorks sheet metal parts. Automated bend program generation as the Global Edge Engineering Assistant processes and generates DXF flat files. The software automatically embeds the necessary extended data into each DXF flat file to facilitate automated bend program generation. This process eliminates the manual programming of your CAM bending software. Automated shop floor data preparation. Global Edge Engineering Assistant optionally provides two-way dynamic integration with your ERP and MES software. This includes an automated production work queue that automatically processes your daily shop floor production orders that include CAM bending programs, nestings, work instructions, including a complete manufacturing bill of materials with optimal routing steps. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides the following key benefits that provide sheet metal fabricators with a simplified approach to increase engineering capacity while generating accurate and timely information throughout the manufacturing enterprise. Advanced Design for Manufacturing. This helps save time and money by accelerating the prototyping process and reducing costly shop floor mistakes. Automated routing, sales quote generation. Global Edge Engineering Assistant helps increase quoting capacity by automating many of the labor-intensive steps associated with the quoting process. Automated sheet metal batch unfolding eliminates the manual process of generating DXF flat files from your SolidWorks sheet metal CAD models, including the incorporation of extended data to facilitate nesting and CAM program generation. Automated bend program generation. This eliminates the manual programming of bend programs for press brakes, panel benders, and robotic folders. This also includes the ability to automatically select the proper bending machine based on CAD part and machine tool parameters. Automated shop floor data preparation. Global Edge Engineering Assistant includes an automated production work queue that automates the generation of DXF flat files, nesting and bend programs while performing manufacturability tests on each part to ensure it can be successfully fabricated on the shop floor. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an affordable, off-the-shelf, proven software solution that has been successfully implemented at manufacturing companies that range from small to Fortune 500. By leveraging the innovative capabilities of the Global Edge Engineering Assistant, sheet metal fabricators can achieve greater productivity, accuracy, and speed throughout their operations. This proactive approach enables engineers to resolve problems before fabrication, saving valuable time and money.
To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.